If you've been sitting and wondering whether you should get YouTube Premium or not, now might be the time to jump in. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Google just rolled out 5 fresh features for subscribers, and while none are revolutionary on their own, together they seriously level up the experience. Let's start with speed. You can now watch videos at 4x speed. That's double the normal 2x limit for free users. Whether you're powering through a podcast or reviewing a lecture, this turbo mode is a time saver we all needed. Music lovers get a quality boost too. Audio for official music tracks now streams at 256 kbps, giving you richer sound straight from the main YouTube app on Android and iOS, and not just on YouTube Music. Then there's Jump Ahead, the feature that skips you straight to the most watched moments of a video. It's been on mobile and desktop, but now it's heading to smart TVs and game consoles too. Think of it as your shortcut directly to the good stuff. Shorts aren't being left out either. iPhone users will now get smart downloads, which preloads recommended shorts for offline viewing. And yes, picture-in-picture for shorts on iOS is officially here, letting you keep scrolling without losing sight of your current clip. So, is YouTube Premium worth it now? With ad-free viewing, offline downloads, YouTube Music, and these new perks, it's definitely harder to say no. So, when are you subscribing? Comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.